That's it. New mouse pad is in. Baby Spider-Man there, like pew. Cool wallpapers up on the newly mounted monitor. This is an unboxing video for my new stand. Pneumatic arm single ultra wide monitor, desk mount monitor. It's the first time ever trying to buy anything like this. I'm here with the GG.
Hello.
We're using my second mic for the first time ever, so air sound should come through pretty clear. So this is to address this bad boy right here that is, you know, on its built-in stand that came with. This is the normal height that I sit at, but it really needs to be here.
Oh no.
So I'm just gonna do an unboxing and then we will do some before and after.
Wow.
Oh, all right, this is a marble desk mat that's going to be amazing after the fact. And this is a wonderful Spider-Man desk accessory holder. Both things were purchased for me with love by my tiny girlfriend, GG, soon to be fiance, soon to be wife.
Yeah.
So this is the stand here. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh my god, so heavy. Quality though, damn, it's like Iron Man's robot assistant. And this must be the arm that attaches to the monitor, because that's the base, and that's the one that goes to the monitor. These are various accessories or attachment points, tools that they gave.
This was big bolts.
This must attach to the back of the thing. So I bought this kit with the attachment that's supposed to work with my particular monitor. I think this is it. All right, that's it. Say bye, GG.
Bye.
So I lifted this up and I found two other pieces. These must be the attachments that go to the back of the monitor, and they're heavy. Listen. Heavy. So I think there's two types. We'll see as I work my way through the instructions. But I just wanted to include that in the video because these were underneath. Heard that sound? They were underneath here, so I didn't notice them in the first part. All right, later. Okay, so I found the part I needed. I had the adapter to go from Samsung proprietary to standard VESA. I had it in my closet. So glad I was able to find it. I slid out my monitor, moved what I could from in front of it. Now I'm going to, got it. It was wrapped in it. All right, guys, I got the back off. This is what the cable looks like. Very nice cable management. Gonna undo it all and then figure out how the heck to get this off. Guys, so I got the stock out of the monitor, the stock stand, and now I'm ready to mount the base. That goes in just like this. The holes line up and then screw it in. VESA adapter is installed. All right, guys, I assembled the clamp assembly. I'm putting together the stand. All right, so now that I got it fit right to the front, I'm gonna put it on the back. All right, guys, got it mounted to the back. It was not as easy as it looks, but I got it. It is stable. First level of the arm is attached. Second arm level installed, and the VESA plate mount installed. All right, guys, and that is it. Just like that, this bad boy is mounted. It is amazing. So much room for activities. Yep, there's the back view. I had many adjustments to make. I had to adjust this joint right here so that it doesn't flip forward, you know? And I had to adjust this tension here so that this whole top arm doesn't fall down. And I'm always worried about stability, but it slides really well. You know, it comes out. I know we don't want it to move like that, but you know, it could go over the edge, and it can even rotate to be 90 degrees for no reason whatsoever. I would never do that, but it's good to know that I could if I really wanted to. Yeah, that's crazy. All right, guys, and that's it. New mouse pad is in. Baby Spider-Man there, like pew. Cool wallpapers up on the newly mounted monitor. It's been a journey. It's been about 2 days because on day 2 I wasn't sure I had the VESA mount, but it's looking great. Thanks guys for watching. I'm probably gonna make a short video of this and then a long video, but we'll see how it turns out. Later.